Yeah?
I think we need some spray or something because
What?
I have deodorant, but do you have spray?
What about this one?
Which one? Let me see.
It smells delicious.
Delicious. That's exactly what I want. Hello. You ready to go? All right, let's get downstairs. Ready? All right.
Go downstairs. 3, 2, 1. I'm back! Cha-cha-cha! Rainbow free! Sofa.
What is today?
Today, we're having a 6-hour drive. But before we tell you, make sure you subscribe, share this video, like, and turn notifications so you never missed anything from Chacha.
We are packed. Do you see this bag? And that bag, and that bag, and that bag? We're packed. We're ready to go because we are headed out on
A road trip.
a road trip!
I feel like it's the first time back to reality.
Reality. We are so excited to be coming to Radix! You guys, this is part 1. We're gonna release this video in 2 parts. This is part 1. This is us prepping and getting ready to go to Radix with our dance friends. Shout out to Mather Dance Company. We're super excited to be repping this weekend in Phoenix. Can't wait. These girls are gonna be dancing up a storm in the mini room. Dun, dun, dun! All right, I have makeup on now. I'm super happy, feeling good. We're getting ready to hit the road.
Why are you wearing your Uggs?
These are not my Uggs. These are
Kenny!
Kenny's Uggs. Thank you, Kenny. Shout out to Kenny.
Not sponsored by Ugg.
Not sponsored by Uggs. Not sponsored yet. We're actually gonna teleport us back to yesterday when we were getting ready for our trip. Ready? 3, 2, 1! Excuse me. It's time to pack. It's time to pack. Are you ready? Oh. Okay, Okay. Wait, where are you going? Where are you going? A cookie? Wait, So, where are you going? We have to pack, Chach. We have to pack for... Oh, here's your suitcase. Oh, that's a itty bitty... Wait, this is an itty bitty suitcase.
Enough for you.
And it says, look at the front of it. Going to Grandma's. This was my suitcase.
Wait,
growing
you
up.
put your stuff in here.
I know. Is my stuff gonna fit in there? I'm only wearing one outfit and I'll just wear it there and wear it back and I'll wear it all weekend. Then I won't need a suitcase. Okay, what are we gonna put in our suitcase? Let's look. Okay, I guess what we'll do is we will get a suitcase after the fact. Or you're gonna wear a fresh pair tomorrow and then this will be Saturday and this will be Sunday. Perfect. Okay, 2 pairs.
Now I'm gonna put all my pajamas there.
Jamamas. Okay, grab 1 pair of Jamamas because you don't need more than 1. But I think you might be getting a pair while we're there, but we're not going to tell her that.
What is this thing?
Grab some Jamamas. No, it's cold, so you need
I need warm clothes.
Maybe you could just do a onesie. See that onesie right there? Getting ready for Radix. What's the part you're most excited about for Radix? Dancing? And hanging out with your friends?
Friends.
Your friends? When's the last time you were at Radix? You don't know? I think. I think it was like over a year ago. This is our first experience back.
Actually, first, I know what I'm gonna do.
So exciting. Okay.
Time to pay.
Time to pack. Okay, so
Guys, I already packed my suitcase.
You did? Let me see it.
It's a little heavy.
I have,
Here's a big suitcase.
basically we only need a couple outfits because we're not going to be. So we have, wait, did you get your dancewear? Where's your dancewear at?
It's all in my bag.
Oh, it's right there. Yeah.
I'm gonna show you guys my bag. How old are you when you used it?
How old was I when I used it? Probably like your age. College days where we wore very little. No, I'm just kidding.
So I got my PJs under.
There they are, Jamamas.
Here's my toothbrush and the undies.
Toothbrush, undies, Jamamas, dance wear.
Dance clothes and
Thank you, Honeycut.
ruined it.
Oh, for hooking her up with her convention wear for the weekend.
Then I have
Oh,
my Mather.
we've got some Mather gear too. So we have a shirt,
But we're gonna
pair of
put that on
pants, sweatshirt, and then we
I
probably
think I'm gonna wear this sweatshirt there.
there
Yeah.
driving.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, we're gonna pack. We're packing.
I packed my bag.
Now, and then
For Mama's
Mama's got her Jamamas,
Let's start packing.
some pants. I think these are yes, there we go. Perfect. Okay.
Perfect. Then you can put your toiletries somewhere.
Toiletries and makeup. So I'm excited just to experience a dance convention after so many months. I mean, it's been
And a year
over a year.
since we've been to a dance convention.
It's been over a year since we've been to a dance convention, let alone a competition,
Yeah.
let alone anywhere outside of the state of California. So this is going to be very interesting. We're like doing 3 major things all in one. Although we're not competing, this will be like Chacha's official first time in the mini room, which is ages 8 to 10.
I'm usually in the rookie.
Yeah, she's usually in the rookie room. This will be, so rookie 4, 5, 6, 7. She was in the rookie room for 4 years, this little one. Actually, she started at 3. You started at 3. 3 years old, you went.
We have to go there. We have to go to somebody's house, then another house, and then we're going to Arizona. So we basically have to leave at 12. Not 12 a.m., just 12 p.m. We've decided. Mom convinced me to put my stuff in her bag.
Yeah, I actually convinced her to put her stuff into my bag because then she doesn't have to carry anything. Yeah, let's...
Just like
You guys, I have to tell you this story. So I was traveling for work and went to a hotel and woke up. Okay, first of all, I used to travel a ton, like traveled all the time for work, like every other week. I hadn't taken a trip in like a year because I stopped working for corporate America, and I literally went to a job out of state in New York, and there I woke up. So we got home. It was like, I don't know, a 3 or 4 day trip. Got home and I had spots all over my chest.
I remember.
They were bed bug bites.
Did they hurt?
No, they were itchy and it was gross. I ended up finding out that my travel companions also had the same situation going on, and we checked our bags and our clothing and we found bed bugs.
So yeah,
Ew!
all of this.
So we threw everything away. So that's why I don't have that suitcase anymore, because I was like mortified.
What did it look like?
Oh my gosh, I think I have a video or a picture. I'd have to pull it up. They were like literally, like I found 2 on my bag. I went and looked at my bag. They were on my bag. They made it all the way from New York, dropped us down into Southern California. Bed bugs just like, wah! Probably hanging onto the outside of my bag like, woo! They were not going anywhere. I found 2, you guys. Anyways, I've never had that happen before. It was disgusting. You're going to get a cookie? So we made cookies tonight too, in the middle of packing. What do you know? Anyways, that was my bed bug story. enough about that. That's why we're using this bag. It's super old, and that's why I don't have my other bag.
Hi guys, so we're all packed, and the next time you see us, we're gonna be at Radix. See you guys in part 2. Bye.
Don't forget to tune in for part 2. This is a 2-part video of our road trip to Radix. Woo! Ready? 3, 2,